The question is, what is the pH of a 0.171 molar monoprotic acid whose Ka is 9.09 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4. So in this question, the concentration of acid is given as well as the Ka is given, and we need to calculate the pH. So we consider that the monoprotic acid be Ha, right? So Ha will dissociate in water in this form. Ha plus water will be in equilibrium with H3O positive plus A negative. Next step is to make an ice table. So in ice table, we consider the concentrations at initial equilibrium levels. So first we'll write the concentrations of Ha, H3O positive and A negative, and we will not consider the concentration of water because it's in large amount. Next is we will write the initial, change and equilibrium. So this is an ice table. Initially the concentration of Ha was 0.171 molar and H3O positive was 0 and A negative was also 0 because initially there are no products. Next is what is the change. So consider the change as x. So Ha will be minus x, H3O positive will be x and A negative will be x. Right? At equilibrium it will be 0.171 minus x and H3O positive will be x and A negative will also be x. Now we know that for Ka the equation is H3O positive concentration, A negative concentration upon Ha concentration. Now as the acid is weak, so we will consider that 0.171 minus x will be similar to 0.171, right? Because there is negligible dissociation. So in this equation we will write as Ka is equal to 9.09 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4 is equal to H3O positive is x, A negative is x upon Ha is 0.171. Now we will start solving this equation. Now we will cross multiply them. So after cross multiplying, we will get x square is equal to 0.171 multiplied by 9.09 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4. Now on solving this, we get the value of x as 1.24 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2. Now this is x was the concentration of H3O positive. So we can write it as H3O positive is equal to x is equal to 1.24 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2 molar, as this is concentration, so the unit will be molar. Now next is we need to find the pH. So to find the pH will be equal to minus log of H3O positive, or you can say H positive. Now we will put the value here. So minus log of 1.24 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2. Now on solving this, we get the answer as 1.9. So pH of this solution is 1.9.